Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser, which is suitable for sensitive skin, and you can use this one in the morning and evening. Cleansing your skin is always the first step before applying any skincare or makeup products on top. This one also gives you the direction on how you should use it, that you have to wet your face, then use a small amount and then massage it into the skin, and also rinse it with water. Plus it also tells you right here that it's also going to help you to clean your face, to remove any dirt and oil, as well as makeup. So I'm going to show you now the texture, which is very light, and the cleanser itself feels really good. It is clear and it also is running down my hand, so it's definitely not stiff. And you're going to activate it while using water with it, so that it also can start to lather. And then the more you're going to blend it into the skin, the more you will see that the foaming is going to appear. And after that, all what you need to do is rinse it with water and pat your skin dry. So this is what I'm going to demonstrate to you now on my face. So first go ahead and wet your face and neck. Then use a small amount of the Hydro Boost cleanser. Then start blending it between your hands so that it starts to foam, and then gently massage it in circular motions into the skin. So and once you're done with massage it into the skin, you are now going to rinse it with water. If you want to use a cloth that you're going to wet, then you can also use this one to help to remove the cleanser. And now take a towel and pat your skin dry. So once you're done with cleansing, then if you have a toner at home, now would be the second step to also use a toner all over the face. And if you're not sure how you can use a toner, or if you're looking for good toners, I definitely have also some videos which you can check out right here. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up as well as share it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in the next one. Bye!